Good evening, fifth graders. Tonight we're going to be working with some scientific notations. We're going to be doing some more practice with exponents, and going to be doing three different expressions today with or this evening with our work. And then tomorrow in class, you're going to be practicing these skills. First of all, we have the addition expression. When you see this tomorrow in your assignment, addition expression will look like this. I'm going to break apart 2,423, and it'll be like this. 2,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. So addition expression is almost like expanded notation. This is pretty simple. The next one is going to be called sum of multiplication expressions. Okay? And how this looks is sum means to add. So you're going to be going 2 times 1,000. Because the 2 is in the 1,000s place. Sums, we're going to add 4 times 100, because the 4 is in the hundreds place, plus 2 times 10, plus 3 times 1, because the 3 is in the ones place. This is what the sum of multiplication expression looks like. And then the third expression you're going to be working with is the sum of multiplication expression using powers of 10. And this is how this is going to look. So the 2 is in the thousands place. It's going to be going 2 times, we're going to put this to the powers of 10. So what would be 1,000 in the power of 10s? Because we have to count the 2 in this spot here, or how many zeros we'd have. If we have a 10, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So it'd be a 3, 10 to the third power. Plus, so 4 times, so how many zeros are in the hundreds? There's 2 zeros, times 10 to the second power, plus 2 times 10 to the first power, plus 3 times 10 to the 0 power. Because anything to the 0 power is worth 1. Remember, we've been doing some practice with that. Okay, so that's how this will look. So keep in mind we have 3. We're going to do another example here, and you may have to refer to this video tomorrow in class. But here we go. And if you can do this before me, you go ahead and do it. So the first one, I thought I had an example here. I don't have an example, so I'm going to make one. I'm going to go 9,516. That's how that's going to look. So then addition expression is going to be 9,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 6. That's what the addition expression is. The simplest one, right? We have 9,516. The next one is the sum of the multiplication expression. So in this situation here, you're going to be going 9 times 1,000, because the 9 is in the 1,000s place, plus 5 times 100, plus 1 times 10, plus 6 times 1. Okay. Let's take a look at the next problem. 9,516. So 9 is in the 9,000s place. Powers of 10, right? So 9 times, what would be 1,000 to the powers of 10? Well, in 1,000 there's 3 zeros. So we're going to put a 3 to the third power. Plus 5 times 10 to the second power. Plus 1 times 10 to the first power. Plus 6 times 10 to the 0 power. This is how you do all 3 expressions. So keep in mind, we're doing addition expression, the sum of the multiplication expressions, and then the sum of the multiplication expressions using the power of 10. Tomorrow's lesson is going to be pretty easy. Okay. But what we're doing is we're working with the scientific notation. So we're kind of just going over and re-emphasizing place value and using the powers of 10. Hopefully this helped a little bit with your assignment. I look forward to working with you in class tomorrow.